Welcome to Green Nest Microgreens. Today we introduce Broccoli the Tiny Giant, a powerful source of peak nutrition for home cooks, nutritionists, and restaurants. We'll cover the basics of microgreens and why broccoli is special, its powerful nutrition and usage, and finally, how to get started with ordering and storage hacks. Microgreens are the junior version of vegetables, harvested after the first true leaves emerge. They are nutrient-dense shoots, up to 40 times more concentrated in nutrition than mature plants. They are distinct from sprouts and baby greens. The microgreen life cycle starts with organic, non-GMO seeds, sprouts in darkness for days 1 to 3, and then enters the microgreen phase with light and growth. We harvest at the peak, around day 10. Let's delve into the story of broccoli, exploring its flavor profile, origin, and quick growth cycle. Broccoli, or Brassica oleracea, is derived from wild Mediterranean cabbage and has been a healthy staple for centuries. Our micro variety is the Calabrese style, heirloom and organic. Unlike boiled broccoli, microgreens have a mild, fresh, and peppery flavor. They are delicate and nutty with zero bitterness, making them a pleasant addition to any meal. Our 10-day growth cycle is fast, vibrant, and bursting with life. From seed to harvest takes just 240 hours. Broccoli microgreens offer major benefits. They are the richest source of sulforaphane for your health, add crunch and aesthetic to dishes, and are environmentally friendly, using 95% less water than mature crops. These microgreens are a sulforaphane powerhouse containing up to 100 times more glucoraphanin than mature broccoli. This potent antioxidant supports heart health, detox, brain function, and anti-inflammation. When comparing 100 grams, broccoli microgreens offer significantly more vitamin C, vitamin A, and calcium than mature broccoli, in addition to high levels of glucoraphanin. Broccoli microgreens rank highly on the Vitamin and Mineral Concentration Index, scoring 9.5 out of 10. This is significantly higher than spinach at 4.0 and iceberg lettuce at 1.0. Next, let's explore how to consume broccoli microgreens, from smoothies to traditional Indian plates. For a morning kickstart, blend a handful of microgreens into your fruit smoothie. They add creamy texture and a nutritional boost in just 30 seconds, without changing the sweet flavor of your fruits. You can also use them for gourmet sandwiches. Replace soggy lettuce with a dense layer of microgreens for extra crunch and a chef-quality look. They pair perfectly with avocado and paneer wraps. Idea 3 is to use them as the base of your salad, going beyond just a garnish. Mix them with cherry tomatoes, nuts, and a light lemon vinaigrette for a refreshing, nutrient-packed meal. Our fourth idea is to stir microgreens into hot soups or Indian dals just before serving. The residual heat softens them slightly while keeping the essential enzymes intact. Remember, never boil them as high heat destroys sulforaphane. For an Italian twist, elevate your pizza night. Adding fresh broccoli microgreens on top of a hot pizza or pasta adds a fresh element that cuts through the richness of the cheese. As a better breakfast, sprinkle them over your morning poha or fold them into an omelet. It's the easiest way to get your daily vegetable serving done before 9 a.m. The secret to microgreen cooking in India is simple. Treat them like fresh coriander, only 40 times more powerful. Now let's look at storage basics. First, keep them cold in the main body of your refrigerator at 1 to 4 degrees Celsius. Secondly, remember the rule of dryness. Moisture is the enemy of shelf life. Never wash your microgreens until right before you eat them. Shelf life expectations are up to 8 days. For a visual check, if the stems are firm and leaves are vibrant, they are perfect to eat. If they look mushy or dark, it is time to discard them. Let's review our seed-to-table journey. We grow using organic mediums, hand-cut at peak, pack in eco-friendly boxes, and offer express cool chain delivery. Our commitment to sustainability and quality means zero pesticides and 100% biodegradable media. We follow NABH-inspired hygiene standards and operate a zero-waste facility. Our modern branding and packaging are designed for retail appeal and freshness. Every box includes a QR code for easy access to recipes and storage tips. Our partners love the consistency and quality. Chef Arjun praises how they have transformed his plating, and clinical nutritionist Priya recommends them for their sulforaphane content. Answering some frequently asked questions. A light rinse before eating is good practice, and avoid cooking them as heat destroys enzymes. They are also mild and nutty, not spicy. FAQ continued. We deliver twice a week and use organic seeds and soilless media. Yes, we offer special bulk pricing for hospitality partners. Ready to upgrade your health? Order your fresh tray of Green Nest Broccoli Microgreens today. Contact us via WhatsApp for same-day harvest and next-day delivery. This quick reference guide is designed for your convenience. It summarizes key details like sulforaphane content, taste, and use. We have prepared a downloadable one-pager for your fridge or kitchen staff, covering benefits, storage, and reordering details. The download link is in your welcome kit. Thank you for joining us. Let's grow health together with Green Nest. For orders and inquiries, please reach out via WhatsApp, Instagram, or visit our website.